Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the best eyelash care products on the market. The Lash's Blink Black Diamond Coating Crystal Drop Eyelash Sealer. This little gem promises to revolutionize how you care for your lash extensions. Let's get started. If you're like me and love your lash extensions, you know how crucial it is to keep them looking flawless for as long as possible. The Lash's Crystal Drop Eyelash Sealer claims to do just that and more. It's designed to protect your delicate extensions from oil, water, and sweat, extending their longevity and keeping them looking fresh. What sets this product apart is its unique formula. It's water-soluble, oil-free, and applies like a dream with its thin, non-sticky texture. No clumping here. Whether you have thin, weak lashes or a voluminous set, the Crystal Drop Sealant enhances and protects without compromising comfort or style. Applying the Crystal Drop is simple. After your usual lash routine, just brush it evenly along your extensions using the included mascara-type wand. Be sure to avoid the lash glue area if applying to a fresh set. This step not only secures your extensions but also gives them a fuller, more natural appearance. Users rave about the longer retention they experience with this product. It forms a protective barrier that shields against everyday elements, helping your lashes stay pristine between salon visits. Plus, it's endorsed as Amazon's choice in the false eyelash adhesive category, with hundreds of satisfied customers singing its praises. In conclusion, if you're looking to maximize the lifespan of your lash extensions while maintaining a natural look, the Lash's Crystal Drop Eyelash Sealer is a must-have in your beauty arsenal. Its lightweight formula and protective benefits make it a standout choice among lash enthusiasts everywhere. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next video.